Did you know that the sacred sound Om, A-U-M, is more than just a spiritual chant? Let me explain. Om, revered in Hinduism as the primordial sound of creation, isn't just symbolic, it has a profound scientific basis. The sound is made up of three syllables, A, U, and M, representing the cycle of life, creation, preservation, and dissolution. But wait, there's more to it. When chanted, Om vibrates at a frequency of 136.1 Hz, which aligns with the natural frequency of the Earth. This resonance calms the mind, reduces stress, and enhances focus. Modern studies have shown that chanting Om activates the vagus nerve, helping the body relax and promoting emotional balance. And here's something even more fascinating. The vibration of Om mirrors the cosmic sound scientists call the background hum of the universe, known as cosmic microwave background radiation. It's as if Om connects us to the very fabric of existence. So, the next time you chant Om, remember, it's not just a sound, it's the vibration of the universe itself, aligning your body and mind with the cosmos.